Welcome back to another episode here on Your Digital Makeover. My name is Jerry Coward, and in today's episode, I do want to kind of go over how you can take your emails and put them into TickTick to remind yourself later of what you have to accomplish. So maybe you got to follow up on an email or what have you, right? So I have Spark email client opened up, and this really works well with Spark. I'm not sure about other email clients, but Spark has a nice integration with TickTick, as well as quite a few other programs you might be used to, like Asana or Todoist. So I have this email opened up here in Spark, and if I was to go over here to the three dots and type in TickTick, it'll pull up this export to TickTick. When I click on it, it'll pull up this dialog box with the summary of that email right here. Then attach email as email or web link. So you could do either or. I usually leave it on email, and I'll show you why in a minute. And then the set date and the due date, I really leave those as none because I want that to go into my inbox, and then I will put a date on it then, or I will put a date on it later. Just depends on what I feel like doing at that moment. And then I just save it to TickTick. Once I am done, it'll take a few seconds, but it will be over here in my inbox. So let's go to my inbox real quick. There it is. And as you see, it's got the email right here. So this is very handy if you want to follow up on an email, but you don't want to try to, remember, hey, I got to follow up on that email later, that I got from someone, right? So this is a cool way to do it. Now, how did I have that set up in Spark? Well, if I was to go to the accounts of Spark here, and this works on the desktop. If you look down here, you see a section called integrations. And in here is where you can connect whatever to-do list manager, or maybe even notes like Evernote and Notion. Now I did try to do the Notion integration, and it didn't really work very well, to be honest with you. But with TickTick, it does work really well with that. And that's how I connect it. And you just find the one that you are on. Maybe you're on Asana. You connect and follow the prompts from there. And then it's just that simple as hitting those three dots when you open up an email and sending it right to TickTick. So I hope this episode was informative for y'all. If you have any questions, feel free to leave me a comment right down below. And if you want to see more of these videos in the near future, make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell. And with that being said, I want to wish you all a wonderful week, and I'll catch you next episode. Take care. Bye.